All right, so now I'm going to teach you exactly how we can perform slicing or perform slices on tuples. So it's the exact same process that we use for lists that we use for tuples. So let's say, for example, we only wanted to print out all the names from this tuple and ignore the ages. What I can do is I can just write a print statement, and in here, I'm going to print names, and then I'll pass in the square bracket. So you remember, the first thing we have to pass in is the starting index, which is 0. And then the last thing we have to pass in is the stopping index. Now, because we want to only print James to David, we're going to put 3 as the stopping index because the element at index 3 doesn't get printed because it is the stopping index. I'm going to put 0:3. And then once I do that and run the program, you see that we have James, Daniel, and David being printed out. So we could also just remove this 0 and save it and only leave :3. And you see that we have the exact same value. So essentially, the same indexing and the same slicing concepts apply to both strings, lists, and tuples. So that is exactly how we can perform slices on tuple items.